Hi, I'm back. Still at 45 Knollcrest. I'm in the back of the house. It's kind of sunny. There's the house. I don't know if you could see this. There's the pool. I'm trying to shade it. Here's a really nice garden set up. And then there is a separate cottage. I'm going to show you this space. See, there's a little path that goes to it. It's kind of cool. So I'm going to go inside the cottage, which is half, I guess, finished to hang out in. Tables and chairs out here. Little stone wall around the property. Actually, let me show you this first. So this is also part of the cottage. That little garage door over there, there's a tractor in there, like a John Deere to, I guess, cut the grass and stuff. And this part is the finished part. So I'll walk over there. Hold on. Here's the entrance. We're gonna go inside. Very cute. Almost like a little foyer. And then could be an office. Arts and crafts room. Girls' dollhouse, maybe? I don't know. Not sure what they're collecting here. Let's see. Some unusual little pieces. Not really sure what all this stuff is, but the sandbox is kind of cool. Okay, so there's also an entrance into where the tractor is. So I'll show you that. I have to step over wires here, but just so you could see. Here is the tractor, and that's the door, the garage door I showed you. So you can pull it in and out of here. And on this side is just a window. Okay. And I'm going to turn it off because it's a little tricky maneuvering here. And we'll talk later. Bye.